Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This is about homogeneous. So we need to use about y equals to vx. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, you have dy over dx. We apply the product rule of derivative. So we do first derivative of v. So we have dv over dx multiplied by x. Later that, we do first derivative of x. You got about 1. So that means we have only v. This one we put in here. Y we change for vx. Next, we have s, and s. We simplify by divide by s. Next, I will put v go to the right. So we have negative v. This one, we need to do about common denominator. So we need to have 1 plus v, 1 plus v. So negative v multiplied by 1 and v. So we combine two fractions in here. And we got about negative 2v, negative v squared. Now we put ds and s go to the right. This one will go to the left. So we have 1 plus v over 1 minus 2v minus v squared. We have dv equals to ds over s. Later that we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So this one I will put about negative number 1. Later that I will put positive number 1 because I want to create about identity in here. This one we have 1 plus v to the power of 2. This one we have number 2. So I will use about integration by substitution. Trigonometric substitution. So about 1 plus v, I will put about the square root of number 2 sine t, because if we put this one go in here, we have number 2 and number 2. We can do about factorization. Sine t square 1 minus sine t square we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify by dv. So this one we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dv equals to the square root of number 2 cosine t dt. So we put this one go in here. This one go in here. dv we change for this one. This one we have 2 sine t square Number 2 and number 2, we can do about factorization. So, about 1 minus sine t squared, we change for cosine t squared. Square root of number 2, square root of number 2, we have number 2. Number 2 and number 2, we simplify. Cosine t, we simplify. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine t, and we put about c. About t in here. That's e about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And we have t equal to arc side of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. After we get this one, now we return back from here. So we put this one, go in here. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and we put about c. About v, we need to return back from here. So we divide both sides by s, and we put this one to replace for v. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.